Unlock the secret to longevity and cellular rejuvenation. GenuinePurity Spermidine, your essential ally for activating autophagy, the body's natural detox and repair mechanism. With 99% pure spermidine and innovative liposomal encapsulation technology, imagine revitalizing your cells, enhancing your overall health, and feeling more energetic every day. 100% naturally sourced spermidine from wheat germ extract, which has been used for thousands of years by humans with tremendous success. Spermidine, a naturally occurring polyamine found in various foods such as wheat germ, soybeans, and aged cheese, offers a range of health benefits that make it an exciting focus of scientific research. One of its primary advantages is its ability to promote cellular autophagy, a process by which cells remove damaged components, thereby enhancing cellular renewal and overall health. This function is particularly significant in combating aging-related conditions, as autophagy declines with age. Studies suggest that increased spermidine intake may improve cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to heart disease. Furthermore, spermidine has been associated with enhanced cognitive function, as it supports neuronal health and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Its potential to strengthen the immune system is another notable benefit, as it aids in maintaining gut microbiota balance and modulating immune responses. Preliminary research also indicates that spermidine may have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the proliferation of malignant cells. Unlike many supplements, spermidine is naturally abundant in a variety of foods, making it accessible through a balanced diet. Incorporating spermidine-rich foods or supplements into daily routines offers a promising, holistic approach to improving longevity, vitality, and overall well-being. With GenuinePurity Spermidine, you get a powerful daily dose of 8 milligrams. This recommended dose is safe without any negative reported side effects. Enhanced bioavailability with liposomal encapsulation for better results. GenuinePurity's revolutionary spermidine formula is made using liposomal encapsulation technology that helps increase its effectiveness in 3 distinct ways. Forms a safeguarding shield, protecting the spermidine from stomach acids and preserving its integrity. Amplifies solubility, simplifying the absorption process for the spermidine to enter your bloodstream effortlessly. Elevates cellular uptake by facilitating liposomal fusion with cell membranes, ensuring the spermidine is delivered directly to your cells. GenuinePurity Spermidine is made in the USA in CGMP-certified facilities for consistent quality and purity, following the highest manufacturing standards so you can feel certain you're getting the best spermidine in its purest, most potent form. Join countless customers who have transformed their lives with GenuinePurity Spermidine. Don't wait. Elevate your health today with GenuinePurity Spermidine. Order now for exclusive access to the special offer and start your journey to a healthier you. Hit the link below to try it risk-free for 97 days. If, for any reason, you are not 100% satisfied, simply return the empty containers within 97 days from the time of delivery for a full refund.